Many my subscribers they ask, I test a lot of equipment, but which equipment I listen at home. So I wanted to share you my setup. So the turntable, I prefer to listen from the Reloop. It's RP-4000 M3D. Basically, this is used by the professional DJs because of its rugged design and very stable construction, and it's a very good turntable, very durable, and it has a good needle also. And basically you see you can control the pitch with this sliding knob. It has an indication there with the quartz control and also with the speed. You can adjust with the lights over there. It can play 33, 45 and 78 speeds. And this is the light here, you can see, very nice. And this is the reverse function, so you can play the music reverse. Basically the DJs they do. And this is the pitch. And that's how you increase or reduce the pitch. But for the normal listening, it's basically you keep it normal pitch, and that's it. Many years, no problems with this Orthophone GT cartridge with the diamond tip needle. Excellent with the Reloop RP-4000 M3D. This is the very professional and high quality turntable. It's made of metal, very heavy, and not only it's very heavy, but the construction is very good. You can adjust the anti-skating over there, and also the weight limit, which forces on the cartridge. Basically it's all adjustable. So this is the turntable I'm using, and now I show you my CD and amplifier. To play my CDs, I use this Onkyo DV-SP503E. Basically it's a super audio CD and DVD audio video player. I use only to play CDs on it because of its feature of SAD, a super audio CD, and the deck chips they have used very excellent in this model. So it's a 8-time oversampling, even though with the amplifier, which I'm going to about to show you below this one, it has already analog to digital converter, even high end than this CD player. But after the Sony Blu-ray disc player, which is high definition audio, this is my second best CD player. It produces excellent sound, but I am still looking one of the models Sony made as a CD, which is also DVD player in S series. Still no luck, but whenever I got that, then this has to go, because that one is much better. I never had, but I read reviews about it. I go through the schematic diagram in the component list, the digital analog converter, and oversampling is much higher end, and it has a 6 decibel built-in preamp amplification on any audio CD, so that would be plus. But still I don't have that one, so I use this Onkyo. So we play the sound, so you can see basically how this sounds like. The powerhouse in the entire setup is this Pioneer amplifier. It's an excellent beast. It's very heavy, 32 kilograms, and the Pioneer produced long time ago. Still they're producing, but on the order, if you order then they can make you this one, but you need to wait like 5 to 6 months till they develop and they deliver. The booking has to be done through the Pioneer dealer, country dealer, and then they send the order. In Japan they build. So it has an excellent component system built in, and the model number you can see here. They call audio video multi-channel amplifier VSA-AX10Ai, and you see here is a very nice display, and this is the main volume. It's very powerful. It's a 7-channel amplifier, and all 7 channels can equally be amplified, and it's a lot of digital processing, especially on the CD. It has a built-in, you can see, analog to digital 190K converter, so even a lousy CD player will sound excellent on this amplifier. Here you have input select, and so it really generates good sound, and it can feed any sort of speakers. But important thing, you must have good speakers, because speakers are the one generating the audio source, the output device. If speakers are lousy, any good amplifier cannot do anything, you know. So but I can tell you, here are the features also. You can do acoustic call. You have a midnight feature. You see it's a flat, and now it has a bit, you have loud, now loudness is off. And this is the tone control, high pass on. You can choose, and then afterwards you see the analog to digital, and delay in the frames, hit bit on, and the sampling. And this is the bass, so you can increase the bass as your desirable level. This is a treble. This is the flat amplification. Now you can hear the sound, not bad. And then you go, if you want little bit sharp sound, and you have SSD gain plus 6 dB, which I mentioned before. If you remove it, now gain is gone. Now it's added. And then we go to, sorry, bass again. I wanted to at least 4 decibels. And a lot of other system, you have a speaker A and B, normal, 2 channel B, and AB plus 2 channel. So it's off, normal, B 2 channel, and here with this knob you have an input selector. So you have VCR2, DVR and VCR1, video normal input, satellite, TV or DVD, DVD or LD laserdisc, USB. You can also plug USB and play from it. Multi-in, it's an advanced concert feature, and USB normal, It's phono, tuner, and CDR, and here we have a normal CD. So these are the features, and here you can, it's a multi-jog, you can choose other features of the digital processing. This PL2 movie Dolby system might be good for movies, not for listening to music. It's home theater, advanced cinema, home theater plus Dolby. This is a concert, classical. This is the best mode for a stereo 2-channel. I always do like that. And now I'm going to show you my speaker system. So give me a second. So this is Tannoy speakers, which you see from the distance. So this one create mid-range frequencies, especially all the components, musical apparatus which produce acoustic music like saxophone, piano, and all other. Those frequency generally fall in the mid-range, so it produces very well. And this one here for the low frequency, for the bass. So I have this 2 set on the each side, and on the top of that I have put 2 monitor studio speakers. I can show you here, and this I use from the monitor audio. The bookshelf speaker, they can also work as a standalone, can handle 100 watts, but I use in the combination of my Tannoy, because this tweeter produce excellent sharp high frequencies, and this one driver is not as good as the Tannoy driver for the low frequencies. So on the back of the speaker you can choose basically to use both or one. So I use this monitor audio speakers only for the tweeters. So these are not connected, only for the high frequency I would like to get from the tweeter of this monitor audio, and they are matching very well. They are 4 ohms impedance. Tannoy also, they are separately fed as a 2-channel A and B, and they work perfect. And from the distance you already heard the sound, and you already have an idea about the sound image. But later on I can try to change the speakers also whenever, then I can record a video for you guys, so you can see. So basically this is my audio setup at home, which I am basically listening music, and I hope you like it. And tell me on the comments what sort of equipment you use at your home, and which equipment is your favorite, and how do you achieve the sound image in the living room, which kind of music you listen to, and how you couple your speaker system with your existing audio system. I will love to hear that. Until next time, bye bye.